This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the Jeep. Parking brake on and wheel chocks in place because neutral allows free rolling. Once done, press and hold the brake pedal. That input tells the transmission to accept a shift. Make sure the ignition is on or the engine running if safe, since many SRT electronic shifters need power. With your foot steady on the brake, locate the shifter button or shift release. You're now ready to move the lever without risking lurches. If the shifter won't move, use the shift release or override. First, remove the small plastic cover near the shifter to expose the override slot. This preserves trim and prevents damage. Insert the ignition key or a flat tool, press and hold the override while you simultaneously hold the brake. This bypass unlocks the electronic lock so you can slide the lever into neutral. After moving it to N, glance at the cluster to confirm the neutral indicator. This verifies the transmission accepted the input. Once in neutral, verify the dash shows N and gently test by easing the brake to confirm slight rolling. Never full release without chocks. After confirmation, reinstall the override cover and keep the parking brake engaged if the vehicle must stay put or use chocks for towing. If the shifter still resists, check the 12-volt battery and try cycling the ignition to reset electronics. If that fails, don't force the lever. Call roadside service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.